Namaskar friends, this is Shekhar Mainil here. Quite a few friends who have subscribed to my channel have asked me this very pertinent question, and that is, you have mentioned yogasanas or yogic realization, but you have not elaborated what is yoga in it. Because one of my students said that I mentioned early on that it is yoga is nothing to do with twisting your body, but it is straightening your mind. So why then it is all about twisting your body that you are showing right now? It's a very relevant question, and I think most of us are wanting to know what is yoga in doing yogasana, because they are two different things. Yogasana is about training your body, training your muscles. So I asked this guy, I said, tell me, have you ever been able to sit quiet, sit still? He said, he thought about it and he said, quite frankly, no. Because I said, why? He said, because when I sit still, I have a pain. I can't even bend my knees properly. I have a pain in my back. I have a pain in my shoulders and all that. I said, that's the reason we are doing yogasanas. Yogasana is to train your body to sit still actually, so that you can reflect yourself, uh, reflect your thoughts about, uh, go deeper into understanding what is it all about. So have you ever experienced, so I asked him this question, have you ever experienced uh, your body consciousness overall? He said, what do you mean by that? I said, say when you are you only understand that you have a body, or you know that you have a body if you have a pain or dis-ease somewhere. Let's say you have a headache, then only you understand, oh, you have a head. If you have a knee ache, or a hip ache, then you understand, oh my goodness, we have this body. Same is true when you are completely oblivious of your body consciousness, then you are in yoga. Have you seen a child play in a sandbox or near the beach? He's totally oblivious of his body. He is in yoga actually. So that's what we are trying to train people by yogasana, to be completely oblivious of our body. And that is exactly what the Sanskrit word swastha means. Swastha means to be established in swa, means self. Not in the body, but in the self. So that's what it is about. Now, what it actually will do, the yogasana. After sitting, after doing yogasana, you will be able to sit still. Only the still body will have a still mind. Otherwise, mind will be turbulent. So once you have a body still and a mind still, then we can reflect. Once that happens, you have transcended body consciousness once and for all times. And what happens is, now you are in merged with the infinite, which is basically your true nature. This is what your true nature is about, and that is yoga. It is almost like a drop falling into the ocean, merging with the ocean. That is yoga. So from yogasana to yoga is the journey that we are trying to cover. And obviously, what will happen? Why is yoga important? Why is yogasana important is to get into yoga. But why is yoga important? We'll talk about in the next vlog. Thanks for watching, and definitely subscribe to this channel, Yogic Realization.